Time to move the piggies. The two boys are going to be moving a little bit over in this direction for new pasture for the fall time. And check out those colors in the background. What a beautiful view they have every day. Huh, boys? Alright, boys have been moved, fed, hooked back up the electrical fence. Give them a nice wallow, some water. There's some new stuff in the ground, even though it's fall time, but it's been so warm for extended amounts of time. There's still stuff in there that they will be able to dig up and fertilize the chickens incoming in the spring. Here's the herb garden in late October. The weather has been phenomenal. Beautiful changing colors of the leaves, and wind offers for some dramatic fall time things, but we can still come out here and harvest some things because lemon balm, man, oh man, the sucker will just keep going and spreading and taking over. But it is a phenomenal herb to have. Oh, we can even harvest some echinacea, and honestly, for tea, for everyday tea, I'm going to come out here and grab some of these leaves that are on here, or those, the petals, sorry. Oh, let's see what else we have out here. The yarrow has gone, except for, oh, hello, peekaboo, little pretty purples. Over here is the stingy nettles, which is fantastic for fall time because of the allergies and everything that is going on. So I will definitely come out here and still harvest this for tea. It doesn't bother me there's holes. That's nature, y'all. I'll go ahead and harvest that. There's lots of roots in here that I also need to go ahead and harvest, which I'll hopefully do a video on that, because harvesting roots for medicinal properties is really great to do in the fall after the harvest, or after the frost, sorry. So it is actually after the harvest and the frost. This is mint. It's still growing. Still will partake in that to put it in there. And there's actually some lavender that's still going on. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Look at that, it's so pretty. Off a little color. And we have some white yarrow here. And there's some more white yarrow here. I'm not using that for tea or anything like that. I only use that for my healing balms. And then we've got, these are kind of cool looking, right? Those are neat looking. That is, oh, I want to say, oh, now I forget it, of course, because, you know, I'm doing a video. But it's pretty cool looking, huh? It's like licorice. Licorice mint, basically, but it's not quite a mint. But it is the mint family because it has square. Look, it's right there, square. So that's part of the mint family. So there you go. Tucking this baby in. Winter's coming. Got a couple nice warm days still. I'll come out here and harvest some roots and still make some more teas.